everybody, so I got a quick video to do about the last package from Acme Tools, which is order 2, part 5 of the video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're just going to open this real quick, see what's inside. It's a little tiny box from Acme Tools. This package was actually lost. You get your little info sheet. There's a book in here, as well as another wine voucher. The only thing that's in here is the Milwaukee 4924-2371 power source for the M18 batteries. But like I was saying, this package was lost by FedEx for almost a week and a half. I was supposed to get this like 2 weeks ago, something like that. But this is just a quick short video, quick look. I will be doing a unboxing next. We're just gonna take it out of the package, put a battery on it, look at it, probably plug it into the camera while it's recording. Might see how well it works for that. But yeah, it says compact, compatible with M18 red lithium batteries, charge tablets, smartphones, MP3 players. I'm sure you can record, charge anything including cameras. Battery fuel gauge on the battery. 2.1 amp USB port provides fast charging for portable electronic devices. Powers all M12 heated gear as well, which means it's got a port on the side somewhere where you can plug in your heated gear with an M18 battery. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.